Magandang balikan natin itong video na ito mga kababayan at doon sa mga nagkukonsider pa para iboto itong si Manny Pacquiao, magandang panoorin natin ito dahil kailangan pa ba natin ulit ng isang ganitong senador?
The measure says the Philippine Boxing Commission shall be directly under the administrative supervision of the office of the President. May we know why, Mr. President, it has to be under the office of the President? Would the gentleman tell us how many officers right now are under the administrative supervision of the President?
Under this, the members or under this bill, Mr. President, it will.
Sino yan? Ba't binilog? Nambubulong. Binubulungan si Manny Pacquiao dito. Ano kaya sinasabi kay Manny daw?
There will be seven members. One is we call the chairman, and 6 members, board members. To be chosen by the
Naririnig eh. Tinuturuan si Manny Pacquiao eh. So, mas maganda pa na itong nandito, siya na lang yung naging senador.
President,
Our question is, why
Napapangiti na lang yung nagtuturo.
do we want to place the Philippine Boxing Commission under the administrative supervision of the President? And let me explain the context of the question. Mr. President, I had the fortune of being an executive secretary in the office of the President. And, Mr. President, you cannot imagine the number of agencies under the office of the President. So that what happens is that because of the sheer number of agencies under the office of the President, they are like flying saucers just revolving around, nobody supervising them, because the executive secretary simply cannot supervise them.
So, ang gustong mangyari kasi dito ni Manny Pacquiao ay maggagawa siya ng isang commission para sa isang boxing, no? Boxing commission. At yung opisina na yon ay gusto niya maging under directly ng Office of the President. Ang sinasabi naman nitong si Drilon, bakit nga? Bakit pa doon sa Office of the President napakarami ng trabaho ng Office of the President. So yun yung tanong na maliwanag ni Senator Drilon dito.
Because Mr. President,
worried na siya kay Manny. Itong dalawang to, ito yung dapat maging senador. Tanggalin na itong si Manny Pacquiao kasi lahat ng sinasabi nitong Manny Pacquiao na to, kino-coach ng dalawang to.
the President appoints the 7 members of this commission.
Mr.
Diba? Naririnig, bumubulong talaga. Lahat ng sinasabi nitong si Pacquiao nanggagaling sa dalawang to. So parang ano ka? Display ka lang dyan? Ano ka? Parang echo ka ng dalawang ito? Sarili mong gustong ipasang batas. Hindi mo madepensahan. Grabe. Tapos ngayon ibabalik pa na ba natin to Manny Pacquiao na to? Totoo naman na marami siyang karangalang dinala sa ating bansa, pero bilang lehislatura na trabaho, yung trabahong pagiging legislative, parang, teka lang, mag-isip-isip naman tayo mga kababayan. Hindi porket meron siya daw pusong mahirap, galing sa mahirap, may karangalan na sa idinala sa ating bansa. Pero sa trabaho bilang senador, X talaga to eh. Wag naman na.
Mr. President, the President of the Republic is the appointing authority. And he appoints.
Pinagtatawanan lang ni Drilon no? Napakasimpleng mga kasi, tanong hindi masagot eh.
Everybody in this world, in this bureaucracy, unless delegated to the department secretary or another official. The fact that one is appointed by the office of the President is not a justification for putting the agency under the office of the President.
Correct.
Yes, it is,
It
Mr.
can be
President.
the Philippine Boxing Commission can have the commissioners appointed by the President and be under the Games and Amusement Board for administrative supervision.
Tama. Bakit kasi gusto niyo maging director pa sa office of the president?
I think it's best to be under by the President, Mr. President.
Bakit nga? Bakit?
Why,
Yes,
Mr. President?
Walang masagot.
Because for the best interest of the agency, Mr. President.
Bakit nga? Ang tanong, bakit?
I'm sorry?
The best interest of the Commission, Mr. President.
What is the best interest of the Commission that requires that it be placed under the office of the President?
Mr. President,
Yan o, turo ng turo tong dalawa, napapakamot na yung isa o.
same thing with GOB. GOB is under the President.
What? What? Dahil yung GAB under ng President, gusto mo yung gagawing boxing commission under din ng President? Anong connect? Anong connect?
I mean,
Wala.
under the Executive Secretary and
What?
Under the
Ngayon, under the Executive Secretary na naman? Wala, hindi talaga niya alam kung ano sinasabi niya. Ito, ine-echo lang talaga niya kung ano sinasabi ng dalawang to, pero hindi talaga niya naiintindihan. Tignan mo naman yung itsura niya.
Executive Secretary.
Yan o, turo ng turo talaga eh.
So, since the GAB is under the office of the President, the Philippine Boxing Commission, without any rhyme or reason, should also be under the office of the President.
What's the question, Mr. President?
The only reason why the proposal is to place the Philippine Boxing Commission under the office of the President is that because the GAB is under the office of the President. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. President. I think and I believe that the best format for to be under by the President, this Boxing Commission.
But I thought the GAB has a precisely the
Wala
only,
talaga.
rationale that is being presented before us is that the GAB is too big and therefore we must focus on boxing. So why are we putting the commission on the same level as the GAB insofar as reporting to the office of the President is concerned?
Because, Mr. President, this I believe is the best format and
Yukong-yuko na oh. Yukong-yuko na. Grabe. Bakit nga? Ang tanong sa'yo, bakit? Sasagot.
term of organization, the President will appoint the members of this commission.
Gagi talagang tinuturuan. Kahit magaling yung nagtuturo sa'yo, kung hindi mo naman alam kung ano yung sinasabi, magmumukha ka talagang tanga eh.
You know, Mr. President,
Natatawa na lang talaga.
I hope I can convince the gentleman from General Santos that the mere fact that a government official is appointed by the President is not a justification for the direct supervision of the President over a commission or an agency. I think that's very basic.
Gagi, that's very basic daw, hindi mo maintindihan, no?
Yes, I understand that, Mr. President.
Diba? Narinig nyo? Yes, I understand that. Balik natin. Yun din yung sinabi niya. Balik natin.
Of the President
Pansinin.
over a commission or an agency. I think that's very basic.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand. Sabi nung kasama niya, yun din yung inulit niya.
That, Mr. President,
Grabe. Ano, guys, paano to? Kailangan ba natin ulit ng isang Manny Pacquiao? Yan ang performance sa Senado. Isip-isip mga kababayan doon sa gustong bumoto pa dito sa ating pambansang kamao. Yes, ina-acknowledge natin na marami siyang naiambag sa sports sa Pilipinas. Sa larangan na yan, wala tayong question dyan. Sa kanya na yan. Pero yung pagiging senador, ulit, grabe, wag na.